Hello, friends, and happy Earth Day. Look at that cheerful little earth on the cover of this book. This book is called Here We Are, and it's by the author Oliver Jeffers. How to find your way whenever you get lost. The North Star, the Little Dipper, the Big Dipper. See that? This is north. Pretty cool. Here we are. Notes for Living on Planet Earth by Oliver Jeffers. Our solar system. One of, not millions, not billions, but trillions. Here we are. Over there's Pluto. And it says probably not to scale. So that means the pictures aren't exactly the right size. Well, hello. Welcome to this planet. We call it Earth. It is the big globe floating in space on which we live. We're glad you found us, as space is very big. It's like 238,855 miles between us and the moon. There is much to see and do here on Earth, so let's get started with a quick tour. Oh, it says Mars, the next planet, is another 140 million miles that way. The planet is basically made up of two parts: land, rock, and dirt, and sea, water. Firstly, let's talk about the land. It's what we're standing on right now. We know lots about the land. It's really hot, pointy, cold, dry, bumpy, hot, flat, wet. I wonder what could be coming next. Then there is the sea, which is full of wonderful things. We know a bit about the sea, but we'll talk some more about that once you've learned to swim. Goes nearly 7 miles deep, we think. My goodness. There's an iceberg up there. Frozen water. There is also the sky, though that can get pretty complicated. We spin around the sun. The moon spins around us. Sometimes the sky is blue. Sometimes it's not. Outer space, stratus thingy, in the air we breathe, snow, frozen, falling water, rainbows, rain falling down, clouds, floating water, wind, moving air, the sea, clouds and storms and lightning, constellations, the Milky Way, other planets, stars, burning balls of gas, very far away that you see at night unless it's raining. Our atmosphere. Okay, moving on. On our planet, there are people. One people is a person. You are a person. You have a body. You have a head, a brain for thinking, arms, heart to pump your blood, lungs for breathing air, a belly, legs, bones to hold it all together. Look after it, as most bits don't grow back. Oh, bits that grow back, nails and hair. The most important things for people to remember are to eat, drink, and stay warm. People come in many shapes, sizes, and colors. We may all look different, act different, and sound different, but don't be fooled. We are all people. I think I've got enough. Oh, there it is, yes. There are animals too. They come in even more shapes, sizes, and colors. Down there. Not supposed to be here, says this guy. They can't speak though that's no reason not to be nice to them. Oh, the parrot says he can. You may not be able to speak yet either, even though your head is filled with questions. Be patient. You'll learn how to use words soon enough. Generally, how it works is that when the sun is out, it is daytime and we do stuff. The rest of the time is night when it's dark, save for the moon, and we sleep. Please? Things can sometimes move slowly here on Earth. More often, though, they move quickly, so use your time well. It will be gone before you know it. Though we have come a long way, we haven't quite worked everything out, so there is plenty left for you to do. You will figure lots of things out for yourself. Just remember to leave notes for everyone else. It looks big, Earth, but there are lots of us on it. Wow. 7,327,450,667 and counting. So be kind. There is enough for everyone. Well, that is planet Earth. Make sure you look after it, as it's all we've got. Now, if you need to know anything else, just ask. I won't be far away. And when I'm not around, you can always ask someone else. You're never alone on Earth. Looking back and seeing your planet as a planet is just an amazing feeling. It's a totally different perspective, and it makes you appreciate, actually, how fragile our little existence is. That's Dr. Sally Ride, astronaut and physicist. And then finally, there are only 3 words you need to live by, son. Respect, consideration, and tolerance. That's Oliver's dad, an all-around good human. And this concludes my Earth Day selection. I hope you loved it as much as me. Here we are.